Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode, this feature, by holding your finger and you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can also switch hotspot. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change AP band, you can set it to be visible or invisible to other devices. You can enable Wi-Fi 6 hotspot standard. You can manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set maximum allowed connections, and you can also set up data restriction. And you can set your hotspot to turn off automatically when nobody is connected for 10 minutes in order to save battery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.